Hey, Chris Bellode here with Fortress Foundation Systems. In today's video, we're going to talk about foundation repair warranties, which has everything to do with the quality of the company that you hire. As a home or building owner, the main question you should be asking yourself is this: is the company really willing to do warranty work? When it comes to foundation repair warranty work, you need to ask these important questions. Is the warranty fully transferable with no gimmicks? We've seen where some companies will charge to transfer the warranty, and we've seen others that if the warranty isn't transferred in a specific amount of time, the warranty will be void. Is the warranty work contingent upon buying new piers? What voids the warranty? No soaker hoses, no general maintenance? Do they have warranty references? Most importantly, cheap piers nearly always means that the company will resist warranty claims. They simply can't afford to do the work. There is no perfect scenario. We expect to be called occasionally and stand behind our work. Although not required, we carry a surety bond. We take every step we can to protect the consumer. Lastly, if you're a home buyer, be wary of a foundation company doing work for the seller. Most sellers just want the clearance letter, want to close the sale, and move on. In most instances, you just bought the seller's problem. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or would like to see more videos like this, please comment below with what you'd like to see. Foundation repair done the right way, the Fortress way. Have a great day.